It's time on Loving Cars to look at the difference between a service plan and a maintenance plan. Never mind the head, it's cold in South Africa today. That's next on Loving Cars. Good day, my name is Edwin and this is Loving Cars. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for liking, and if you're watching on YouTube, thank you for subscribing. So let's get down to business without any further delay. What is the difference between a service plan and a maintenance plan? Well, to some people who are buying a car for the first time, it might be confusing. But however, if you are owning a car for quite some time, this might not be that much confusing to you. Let's start with a service plan. A service plan is a type of a plan where the vehicle will be serviced for free in that particular manufacturer or workshop or in the dealership. For example, let's say you bought a Volkswagen and it comes with a 3 years 30,000 kilometer service plan, and your vehicle has either 10,000 or 15,000 kilometer service plan. Whichever comes first, after 3 years, if you have clocked less than 30,000 kilometers, your service plan will run out. If you clock 30,000 before 3 years, your service plan will run out. But if you clock 30,000 in 3 years, you'll get all those service, and still your service plan will run out. In a service plan, the manufacturer will do all of your normal service, minor and major, and changing things such as spark plugs, your fluids such as your oil, your air filter, your carbon air filter, your oil filter. They will also change your wiper fluids and add it on. They'll also add on your brake fluid. Everything that has to do with oil, liquids, and servicing the engine and the vehicle itself will be covered in a service plan. A maintenance plan, however, the manufacturer doesn't just cover the liquid and spark plugs and oil filter and everything that has to be serviced in a car. It also covers for wear and tear. For example, your brake pads are covered, your brake discs are covered, your wiper blades are covered, your drive belts are also covered, your headlights and lamps are also covered. Even your tires, if you have a tire and rim cover, in some maintenance plan, they are also covered. And when it comes to your maintenance plan, it does all the basic things that the service plan does, but also covers in some of those things that are not covered in a service plan. All the wear and tear items will be covered in a maintenance plan that are not covered in a service plan. For example, if you have a service plan, most of the time the manufacturer will try to upsell you something that you don't need when you take your car in for service. They might say, Mr. Edwin, we are done with your service of your car, but the technician has found something else in your vehicle. For example, your wiper blades are worn, your brake pads are worn, and your left headlight is blown, and we will cover these for around 18,500. Then you will approve the invoice or decline it. That's because it's not covered under maintenance plan. If you have a maintenance plan, most of the time they don't tell you of those things. They might tell you that they have changed them, and without even showing you the old stuff that they actually changed. But it's your right to demand to see the older part and compare it with the new one to make sure that your things will change. But things such as spark plugs, most of the time dealership changes them because they have to be changed every 30,000 kilometers. But when it comes to your brake pads, they might wait until they start squeaking and then tell you, your brake pads still have about 40 or 30% life on, so you can drive them for another 15,000 kilometers. However, if you're using a service plan, they would recommend quoting you for new brake pads because they will make money in doing that. So I hope this has explained the difference between a service plan and a maintenance plan. In a simple perspective, a service plan covers all your fluid and your engine servicing, and it does not cover the wear and tear. But the maintenance plan covers all your fuel, your fluids, and your servicing in your engine and your vehicle as a whole, and also covers the wear and tear in your vehicle. Ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly what I have for you on Loving Cars today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't, please hit the like button. It's somewhere here or there. The cell phone works like a mirror, so I'm not pretty sure where you can find it on TikTok, but it's right there somewhere there. Please hit that plus button because it helps me into creating more awesome videos like this. If you'd like me to talk about something more, please put it in the comment section. And if I did say something wrong that you feel like you disagree with, also put it in the comment section. I will also learn something new from you because I don't know everything. Yes, so in our next video we'll also cover the warranty on how it works and how you can claim and which parts are covered under warranty and which parts are not covered under warranty. That's next on Loving Cars. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.